Hello guys, welcome back to MJ Crypto, and this is the BTC price prediction for this week. I know a lot of you have been anticipating this video. So many people have reached out. MJ, when are you going to post the BTC price prediction? You've delayed us for so much, okay? And here's the video, guys. This is what I think BTC would actually do and most likely do. You can see right here we have a support at we actually had a support at about 35,000, major support which was broken, and we were actually hoping for a retest or a flick back to the upside. Okay, now since the 35 K dollar sign was actually broken for some weeks now, it has quite been very difficult for BTC to go beyond 35,000. We tried and attempted it twice, but still it did not actually break out from that zone. So in other words, there was a huge resistance at that particular level. All right, good. There was a huge resistance at that level, guys. So right here we have a trend line starting off from 3K zone up to 11K zone and up to this point here, which we have broken again, which was 29,000. BTC just broke that this morning. All right, early hours of this morning, dropping down to 28K zone and even down as low as 23,000. Now, there is actually no major support right now on BTC. So the market is actually going back to 11,000, most likely. 11,000 BTC is going. Look at it right here. Look at the major support we have. Watch this line. I think I should even draw. Just give me a second. Let me just actually draw this. Let me actually draw this for you so you see clearly what I'm saying. All right. Give me a second. Remove this. Boom. You can see right here, this was actually one of the major key support zones. Let me zoom out so you see what I'm saying. Look at it right here. At about 11,000. Now, if I should put my price cursor right there, it's going to show you 11,792. All right, good. Now, that is actually the major support left for BTC to correct itself. Now, if it's possible that we actually get a rebound from this zone and come back here to retest this trend line, test the trend line at about 30,000, good enough. We might just be plunging back to the upside. But I don't see that happening. I may be wrong, but I don't see that happening personally. What I see is BTC coming down as low as 11K to retest this zone and then plunge backwards. And the bull run is going to happen very quickly when it starts. We should be thinking about period of, let's say, October or probably even November. But between the ember months, September, October, November, there is most probability that the bull run may begin. But currently, the price of BTC is highly bearish. So you can see actually we've broken out from different key zones, different key pressure zones. What we did actually right here was break out from this particular pattern right here. You can see the head and shoulders. And you know the head and shoulders is a very strong reversal pattern which may carry the length of the entire particular bull run. In other words, the drop down may actually last from here, from this zone here, down to this particular point, forming an M shape. All right, forming a typical M shape. So you having a head and shoulders at a high time frame, such as the weekly time frame, this is no clear indication that BTC is pumping any soon. All right, this is bad news for BTC, and it's very, very clear and simple. Technical analysis is not as difficult as people make it seem. All right, so you can see for yourself, 11K zone may be the actual next zone that we should be looking at, and hopefully we get a bounce from this particular zone right here. All right, hopefully we do get a bounce from this area. Talking about this area right here. All right, hopefully we get a bounce back from here, and then boom, towards the upside. All right, so basically this is the BTC price prediction of this week. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends and families, and share this video with those who are losing on futures trading. All right, you want to get signals and mentorship, my details to contact me is in the description of this video and also in the comment section. All right, feel free anytime, send a DM. I can give you a discount on signals and mentorship, so you understand how these things work, so you become a boss of your own. All right, cheers guys, love you all so much. I'm going to see you in the next video, and I have so many strategies piling up on ground that I would need to put up together to send it to you all. Okay, one love, peace out. Don't forget, this is MJ Crypto. Ensure that you are making profits. If you're not making profit, you are dulling yourself. So ensure you are making profit. Consistency is the key right here. Ensure you are using good risk management, and ensure you are making steady profit. Let's go, guys.